Take control of your manufacturing operations. Do you own a small or medium-sized manufacturing business and struggle with keeping your production processes optimized? Do you want to increase productivity, reduce waste, and improve quality control? Then Beas Manufacturing is the right solution for you. Beas Manufacturing is a comprehensive system that integrates seamlessly with the SAP Business One ERP system. With Beas Manufacturing, you can plan and schedule your production processes, track inventory and warehouse operations, monitor production processes in real time, manage quality control processes, analyze production costs, collect shop floor data, and much more. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that make Beas Manufacturing stand out. Production planning and scheduling. Set production targets, forecast demand, and allocate resources to optimize your production processes. Materials and warehouse management. Track raw materials, finished goods, and works in progress to optimize inventory levels and reduce waste. Real-time production tracking. Get valuable insights into your production performance, identify and resolve issues quickly, minimizing downtime and increasing overall efficiency. Quality management. Track and analyze production data, identify quality issues, and implement corrective actions to reduce defects and so enhance customer satisfaction. Cost analysis. Use advanced tools to track and analyze production costs, including labor, materials, and overhead expenses, to identify areas for improvement and cost reduction. Shop floor data collection. Streamline data collection and analysis by collecting and tracking valuable information from the shop floor, such as employee time and attendance, machine performance, and production quantities. Easy connection to other systems or machines. Seamlessly connect Beas Manufacturing to other systems or machines, embracing the benefits of Industry 4.0 and automating your manufacturing operations. And that's not all. Beas Manufacturing is scalable and can grow with your business, allowing you to add new features and functionality as required. With 20 years of experience in providing manufacturing management solutions, Beas Manufacturing understands the needs and challenges of businesses like yours and has continuously evolved to meet the changing demands of the market. Beas Manufacturing has a proven track record of delivering high-quality solutions to manufacturing businesses of all sizes across a variety of industries. So when you choose Beas Manufacturing, you can be confident that you are partnering with a company that has the experience and expertise to help you succeed. Get started today to increase your production and cut down costs with Beas Manufacturing. Visit boyum-solutions.com